Welcome to the Home Loan Hub, your ultimate guide to mastering the world of home loans and property. I'm Zibuni Salimova, here to simplify the complexities of real estate and provide you with expert insights and the latest trends. Whether you're a first-home buyer, an experienced investor, or simply curious about the property market, this podcast is for you. Join me each week as we unlock the secrets to property success and help you make informed decisions. Let's dive into the world of property together. Hello and welcome to another episode of Khounch IKS. Hello, Khounch.
Kia ora, everyone.
So good to have you today. Today, we are going to dive into a topic that affects nearly every Kiwi looking to buy a home or get a loan or even sign up for utilities. Drum roll, please.
Credit scores.
Yay! Look, guys, your credit score is very important and it can make or break your chances of getting approved for a mortgage. But how does it actually work? And what do the lenders look at when they look at your credit score and how can you improve it? So we'll cover it all today and let's get into it. So, Khounch, do you want to tell us what's a credit score?
Well, your credit score is a number that ranges from 1 to 1,000 or 1,200, depending on the credit companies.
Cool. And where can I go to look it up?
Well, there's actually a couple of agencies in New Zealand that you can look up, and it's all free, and you can do it online, and that's through Centrix, Equifax, and Illion.
Nice. And the higher score means lower risk for lenders, and it makes it easier to get a loan. So guys, if you haven't checked your credit score, now is the time to go and get it sorted. But how do lenders use the credit score? What are they actually looking at?
So lenders actually use it when deciding whether to lend you money. So lenders look at the credit score, they look at your income, they look at your expenses and existing debt, all that matters. Bankers prefer a certain number, or lenders prefer a certain score. So our most popular is lucky number 700.
So if my credit score is above 700, my chances of getting approved are much higher.
Correct.
Than if my score was like 300.
Yeah, but that doesn't mean...
Can I still get a mortgage at 300?
Absolutely.
Points?
Yeah, absolutely. If it's 300 or lower than that, there is still a chance to get lending approved. It's just a little bit more challenging, but I actually personally have seen applications that have been approved with challenging credit scores. So if you've had any defaults or anything like that, it doesn't mean that you would get rejected.
Absolutely. And you've seen it in the last few months of being on this side of the world.
Definitely.
that we actually can help people with defaults. I mean, everyone makes mistakes in life, right? And it's how you come out of it. So burying your head in the sand is not an answer.
Yes, correct.
You got to get ahead and do something about your life.
Correct, yeah.
And improve it.
Yeah.
How can you improve?
As long as you can evidence that you're improved it or you've paid those defaults, we just need to understand how you got into it, how you got out of it, and then we can explain that to the lenders on your behalf.
Yeah. And what are you doing to improve it? So a couple of things that I would suggest for you guys today as a tip. Now, remember, this is not a financial advice. This is just us sharing some tips, is pay bills on time. Seriously, like phone bills, utilities. It's all now reflected on your credit scores.
Yes, yeah, it's definitely. So set up direct debits. If you forget, set it up to come out of your account automatically. All those utility companies allow you to set up direct debits.
But make sure you have money in that account so it doesn't bounce off. Because
make sure there's funds in the account at the same time. Yes.
Yeah, because it will affect your credit score. And also what we say to people is when we do your loan application, we try to go just to one or two lenders. We try to avoid going to multiple lenders because the more inquiries are there on your credit check, the less your score gets with each inquiry.
Yes, it does affect your credit score with the numbers of inquiries.
Hey, Khounch, how about we give them some tips about how they can prepare themselves for a mortgage or a loan when it comes to their chances of getting approved?
Yeah, so obviously get a copy of your credit check, which you can get online
For free.
For free. If there is any thing on there, fix it. So if there's an error on there, get them to fix it as well. So what we've seen as well is there are credit checks that are showing errors on some people's credit check. So yeah, get that one fixed. Reduce the existing debts that you have as well.
And also consider non-bank options, guys. If you have a default on your credit check, it's not the end of the world. Those defaults do drop off after 5 years of, once you've paid it off. So we can take you back to the bank after showing that you can pay off your mortgage on time.
Yeah. And the final tip is obviously talk to your mortgage advisor for some advice.
Some more tailored advice.
For some more tailored advice.
Exactly.
Talk to your mortgage advisor for some more tailored advice.
Love it. Hey, I actually wanted to share something really funny with you. Not funny now. Well, funny now. Wasn't funny back then. But I had this client come to me, and this was the first time ever I saw a credit check that had minus 999.
Wow.
Wasn't funny for her because actually she wasn't the one that did it.
Yeah.
She had someone that stole her identity.
Yes.
And went out and racked up all sorts of bills. She never had a single bill in her life in terms of, like a personal loan or a car loan or credit card. So she had no idea what was going on until she got a new job and she started seeing student loan repayments. And she was like, what? I don't even have a student loan. Wow. So she rang IRD and then she found out that someone stole her identity and got a student loan. I mean, how cool is that? They wanted to study. So that's cool. But this is how she discovered. And then she made a few inquiries and then she realized that they racked up so much debt under her name. Yeah. It was crazy.
Yes, and that happens. Like people steal their identity, or like, for example, I've seen it happen to a family member. Their passport got stolen while it was getting delivered, and somebody signed up for a phone account, got themselves a brand new phone and stuff, but then there's a default on the credit check of that person.
And she spent months working it out with police and IRD and all the other places. But the good news was for them, I actually got them into a house and I explained all of that to the bank, and the bank was happy to accept it. And we got her into a home. So, but she was terrified. Before she came to me, she thought this is it. Her chances were over. Even though she didn't do that, she thought somehow her chances of being a homeowner were absolutely done. Yeah,
which is why we recommend, if there's any errors or anything, just speak to your advisor and
we can point you in the right direction of what to do next. Awesome, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, share the news, and leave us some comments so we can address the topics that are hot to you. And you can also find us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Thank you and have a lovely day.
Thank you.
Thank you for tuning into the Home Loan Hub. I hope you found today's episode insightful and full of valuable tips to help you on the property journey. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated on all things real estate and the property ladder. If you enjoy the show, leave a review and share it with others who might benefit as well. Keep an eye out for the next episode where we'll continue to reveal strategies for property success. Until then, keep making savvy decisions and unlocking your property potential.